When it came to going to these clinics, you know, we had investigated all the options, the different forms of dialysis as part of the education classes, and the options of deceased donor transplant and live donor transplant, and we were just thrilled and amazed at the number of people who stepped forward and said, I'll be tested. It was really quite a wonderful moment. I got tested, although I'm a different blood type. I could have been a possible donor, but our daughter Jay, who is our only child, she immediately stepped forward, and after all the testing was done, they said she was such a close match. The only thing closer would have been an identical twin. So she was the obvious donor, and again, it was all up to her to decide that she wanted to do it, and they assign a separate social worker to the donor so that they understand that they are not to do anything under duress. This is totally your idea. If you decide even the last minute that you can't go through with it, that's fine. Friends of ours who did step forward to get tested, we were told that they were not a match. They may in fact have decided not to go through with it. We would never know. And we were still able to be grateful for their generous offer.